In 2020, New Zealand Aotearoa declared climate emergency. We've got heat waves, we've got drought, we've got flooding. So let's work together, tackle it. And before we get to that tipping point, we can actually turn this around. Climate Connect Aotearoa came about as we were developing Te Tareke Tawhiri, our Auckland climate plan, with ambitious targets of net zero emissions by 2050 and 50% emissions reduction by 2030. We realised we won't be able to do this, the scale of change we need, without collaboration and also innovation. So we looked at overseas models as well, such as Climate Kick Europe. They've done the same. And we brought the learnings from there, and we thought we could implement that in Tamaki Makaurau. Our economy depends on food, on built environment as we're growing as a city. It depends on our energy system. So what we aim to do through Climate Connect is to focus on those priority sectors first and start delivering demand-led challenges for those areas to solve some of our key problems in those areas. As we're doing that, we're going to be mindful about equitable approach, how we make sure that everyone's included, how we disseminate knowledge in a way that we empower our communities and also our smaller businesses and big businesses, how we could work together. And you can see it would be accelerating across the system because we have different people, different sectors coming together and working together to create the solutions and then pilot it and scale it up. If we see that happen, they'll be saying we've done what we need to do.